Lenkonzo ebanjelwe ehholo elise Morningside eThekwini kubonakale kuyo amalungu ANC ababe bengamajaji kanye nabangani. I-ANC ithi uPravin Gordhan izomkhumbula njengeqhawe.
Umuntu omkhulu uwile. Indeed, a giant tree has fallen. So that is why we are here today to celebrate his life.
Usihlalo we-ANC KwaZulu-Natal uSiboniso Duma umtuse kakhulu uGordhan ngokusebenzela lelizwe. Unxuse umndeni wakhe ukuthi ubemkele nalabo abamgxekayo ngoba umsebenzi weqhawe uhambisana nokugxekwa.
But family, rest assured, whenever a giant who has just passed our earth has done a great job, in the process he was bound to offend either the system.
Lenkonzo kubonakale kuyo namajaji asathatha umhlala phansi uJustice Raymond Zondo. Uthi uGordhan ubengasebenzeli isisu sakhe.
Ubeyindoda ehlale ibeka abantu phambili konke ekwenzayo. Ubengafani nabanye osopolitiki ababeka izisu zabo phambili nemindeni yabo.
Inkonzo yomngcwabo kaGordhan izobanjelwa kusasa eThekwini.